Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. Welcome to Community Mining Rig Showcase episode number 51. And we are not doing it live today. We're going to be doing it pre-recorded. Unfortunately, I have something to do today, so I cannot make it live. But anyways, let's get started, my friends. Episode number 51. Let's go. So we're going to start with the Jack 13. Nice name, the Jack. Alright, so what do we got here? Let's blow this up. So we got... so this is in a ATX case. Looks like we got some good old Corsair RGB fans. And then we got an AMD system here. AMD CPU. Not sure what motherboard that is, but it looks like for graphic cards we got two Sapphire Pulse or Nitro editions. Yeah, these look like Nitro editions. Sapphire Nitros, RX 580's. Yeah, definitely RX 580's. And, oh, beautiful. Two of them in his computer case here. Looking good, the Jack. And, oh, look at this. We got a RX 5700 XT or non-XT edition. I'm not sure. Looking really good, though, in a Gigabyte Z370 XP SLI motherboard. Looks like we got a Corsair all-in-one cooler. Very nice. Red RGB fans by the looks of it. Looking good, man. Looking good. That card looks really good. I have the 50th anniversary edition of this card. I can tell because this is a, what do you call it? The reference design 5700 Navi cards. Very nice. The Jack. Thanks so much, man. RX 580, you say here. 2600X. The second one is the RX 5700 XT. Thinking about getting another one and an i7 8700K overclocked to 5 gigahertz. Ooh, very nice. All right, thanks so much to the Jack. All right, next up we got Brizzy from Taiwan. Brizzy, nice name. All right, ooh, wow. Okay, so we got some insane pictures here. It looks like these are all RX 580s, and you did mention that in your text there. So, holy smoke, are these all custom made mining frames? It looks like it. Look at this. This is crazy. Okay, so this is on like a huge shelf of some sort. But there are 8 graphic cards per mining frame by the looks of it here. That is crazy. What are these white PSUs? Power supplies. Looks like you're running the ASRock BTC Plus Pro motherboards. Yeah, I can tell because these are all close together. The USB cables. Very nice. That is crazy. Look, guys. Look at this. This is nuts. Oh, we got some Gigabyte Aorus RX 580s. MSI. I forgot what. The Gaming X editions? No, these aren't the Gaming X editions. These are the. What are the models of those? MSI OC Mark II and OC editions. Okay, yeah, OC editions. And third pick here, man, this is crazy. A lot of AMD cards. I was thinking like, since it looks like it's heavy and it's kind of like drooping down a bit, the middle of the mining frame. But no, I think it looks pretty stable by the looks of it. And look how thick these power cables are. That's awesome. I'm wondering if you're running 240 on all these. These must be 240 volt. That's crazy though. That looks good. All right, Brizzy from Taiwan. Thanks so much for the pick, man. 104 MSI RX 580s. That is a lot. Brizzy from Taiwan, looking good. All right, next up we got Karen Ops. What is up? We got RX 590 Nitro Gold. Oh, RX 590s. Okay, this looks pretty cool. I remember seeing these, like gold edition RX 590s, and man, these are not cheap. Definitely not cheap. And I know that you can get these for. I didn't know you could buy a whole bunch in a row here. There's a lot. You got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by RX 590 Sapphire Nitro editions. That is nuts. Man, gold looking cards. That looks really good. Karen Ops. This looks really good. And these are the, looks like they have the white RGB or white LED fans on them as well. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Custom made aluminum frame. Not sure what motherboard that is, but it looks like you're running EVGA power supplies. That is nice. That is nice. Karen Ops, thanks so much for the pics, man. Those are so cool. Or ma'am. Can't tell if you're a guy or girl, but thanks so much. And you get a Asus Strix rig here as well. Wow. 8 by Asus Strix. Is that a 480 or 580s? 580 RX ROG. Ah, okay. I love the ROG cards. They're looking really good. I have a whole bunch of the Strix edition ones as well. Those are really nice. Okay, Karen Ops, thanks so much for the pick. That's awesome. Okay, next up we got Slayer's Baby. Slayer's Baby. What is that? 6 RX5 5700 XT 5th anniversary editions and 4 Radeon 7s. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay, this is nice. This is a pretty compact, heavy reference design 5700 Navi cards and Radeon 7 cards here. This must be pretty hot. It looks like it's enclosed in a little case here, but this is a really nice rig. You must be pulling, let's see here, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, so 300 mega hash for the 5700s, and then about 80 to 90 mega hash per Radeon 7, so probably close to like 700, 800 mega hash for all of those cards. That's crazy. But looking good, Slayer's Baby. Looking really good. Thanks so much for the pick. Alright, next up we got iRuse 3 Manero Twin Tower. Ooh, what is that? What is this? Alright, this looks pretty cool. Oh, okay. Looks like we got some pretty cool custom what do you call these? Test bench frames here with ATX motherboards on them and AMD Ryzen CPUs, because he said Manero mining, so I'm assuming these are mining Manero. And then you have GPUs. Looks like the Gaming X Edition MSI cards. Looks pretty cool. That looks sick. And you got like a wooden box here with an exhaust fan. I think you got GPU mining going inside this box as well. That's pretty sick. iRuse 3, let us know, man. If you got some, you must have some GPUs down here. Okay, this is definitely a custom made thing here. Wooden frame for mining. You're mining Manero, and you got definitely some GPU rigs in here, I bet. Definitely, those are the only picks you have. iRuse 3, thanks so much. That looks really cool. If you're watching this, and if you're seeing this after 2 months later of posting this, let us know what you're mining in this wooden box here. That'd be really cool to see. iRuse 3, thanks so much. All right, next up we got Zyxel 91. What is up, man? B250 mining expert 19 GPU dual core G3930 RX 580s. Oh, all right. Let's blow this up here. All right, so definitely reference design RX 580, 480. Did you say 480 or 580? Looks like 580 and a 470 mining edition. Ah, okay. And then you have an ASIC miner here. That's pretty cool. Which one did you say? Antminer L3 Plus. Ooh, right on, man. Running on the floor there. And then you have this. I want to see this a little bit closer. Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool. The Pokemon Dragon Mass Majesty box there. That's awesome. And then your RX 580 there. Sapphire Nitro. Very nice, man. B250 mining expert motherboard. Very nice. Very popular mining motherboard. And then looks like you're mining nice hash and getting some BTC. Right on. Look at this super wide curved monitor here. That's pretty sick. Let's see here. Yeah. You're getting Dagger Hashimoto mining Ethereum on these cards, of course. 480 and a 470. Right on, man. Okay, this widescreen is actually pretty cool. That's pretty sick. All right. Zyrate 91, thanks so much. Okay, next up we got Da Rizzle. Oh my goodness, Da Rizzle. What is up, man? Alright, rig update. 10 RX 570s, 4 RX 580s, 2 Radeon 7s, 2 ROG Strix 5700 XTs, 16 gigabytes of RAM, Pentium 4500, 7-inch touchscreen, Asus B250 H110 Pro. Much more to come. Da Rizla, what is up, man? Alright, let's take a look at this. Okay, so... oh man, this looks pretty cool. Oh my goodness, you're watching one of my videos on your little mini screen here. That is probably the coolest thing I've ever seen. Just kidding. No, but that's pretty legit. That's legit. And then you're mining on two, it looks like you got two Veta frames here, and all of the GPUs that you mentioned in the text there. Radeon 7s, look at those in the corner there. That looks pretty sick. That looks pretty sick. Oh, you're also watching on your little good old 17-inch LCD screen there. That's pretty cool. And looks like you get a fan pointing at it just to get them even cooler. Man, this looks good, man. I like the RGB fans too, or just the white LED fans. Ah, that's legit. I need to work on my rigs. I need to get more RGB in my life here, or just LED fans. But this looks good. This looks good, man. Oh, you looks like you got a video here. Let's take a look. Oh, let's take this. Let's turn this down here. All right. Oh yeah, nighttime shot. I can't turn the music up or else I'd be demonetized. Let's keep looking here. Oh, nice. Oh, look at that. Is that... wait, what kind of fans are those? That's pretty sick though. That's awesome. Hey, Darizla, thanks so much for the pics, my friend. That's awesome. Alright guys, next up we got BitKingRoss. New here, but I got mentioned a 2 gigabyte DAG fixed by Panda. Thought I'd share my farm. BitKingRoss, what is going on, man? I heard you are starting some new project or consulting firm, so let us know in the comments. Alright, BitKingRoss, let's take a look at this, man. Alright, you got 2 mining shelves here, and I know you are actually a pretty big farmer, so I think I know you have more than this going on. But it looks like you got some Sapphire Nitro pulses here, and I don't know what these are. Ah, these look like the P104s, maybe? P104s? More Sapphire Nitro pulses, more Nitros here, Sapphire Nitros. And you got like 2 ASIC miners here on your metal shelves. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, you got a video. Okay, perfect. Let's blow this up. BitKingRoss. Oh, he's got a nice turbo fan there. Looks like he's mining Ethereum. Dagi Hashimoto on the nice hash. Very nice. Very nice. 32 mega hash. You got a nice network port, network switch over there. Sapphire Nitros, very nice. Here we go, and these are the P104s, I'm assuming? Yeah, I was right. Yeah, the P104s. Okay, awesome. Awesome, look at that. And then reference design 5700s, and more Sapphire Nitros. That's awesome. That's killer, man. Nice on these shelves, too. Looking good. BitKingRoss, thanks so much, man. Thanks so much for the video. Oh, you got another one here. Is this your... yeah, this is your 5700 that you showed us, and your EVGA P104 rig. Looking clean, man. BitKingRoss, thanks so much for the videos. Thanks so much for the pick, man. I hope you're doing well. Let me know how it's going, and mention your consulting down below. I'd love to hear about it, and I'm sure other people would as well. All right, BitKingRoss, thanks so much. Okay guys, I'm gonna make it short there. I am going to definitely, maybe I'll live stream some more throughout the week, but thank you guys for watching. I appreciate everyone watching for rig picks here, and I also appreciate all of the contributors for the mining rig showcase here. The community is just amazing. I'm so far behind. I'm so sorry, and I'm doing my best, guys. I'm trying to go as fast as I can. Yeah, thanks so much guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys want to post your mining rig picks, come join Discord and post in the rig-picks channel. And you guys know I do not miss a beat. I don't miss everyone's. I go through everyone's picture. And yeah, thanks so much guys. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.